let's learn the functionality of the free text box. A free text box is nothing but an option wherein you could assign a specific message that you want your customers to relate to or understand while they are on their purchase journey. Now let's just see how a free text box looks like. So title is nothing but an internal node that you can always place in, and you could assign the chatbot by asking a specific question that you want your customers to see as per your own space and your own workflow. Let's just check out how the free text box is aligned in this space. So as you can see, we have aligned the free text box here with the FAQs options, and FAQs are nothing but frequently asked questions that you can help your customers get immediate answers from the chatbot. And let's see, you can mention things like a specific content that you want the customer to understand while doing the purchase journey, and that's it. So let's go to the next screen and test the chatbot live. Now we're at the chatbot screen. Let's figure out the free text box. Select the menu option. If you recall, we have aligned the free text box in FAQs. Choose an option. As you can see, the free text box is triggered the required message on a personalized note to a customer. So basically, you could use the free text box to align specific messages to be directly initiated to a customer. That's all for today. Have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.